Why do holiday guests often feel lonely? Discover how you, as a host, can transform their Christmas. The holiday season should be a time of joy, but for solo travelers, it can feel quite isolating. As a host, you have a wonderful opportunity to make this Christmas unforgettable for your guests. Start with festive touches. A small Christmas tree, twinkling fairy lights, and holiday-themed decor can turn your rental into a cozy, festive retreat. A welcome basket with homemade cookies and hot cocoa mix? That's an instant mood booster. And don't forget a personalized holiday card. It's a little gesture that speaks volumes. Encourage guests to explore local holiday experiences. Guide them to Christmas markets, community parades, or festive dining spots. If they're up for it, invite them to join in local traditions like group dinners or caroling. Small acts of kindness can make a big impact. Share a Christmas dinner, bake cookies together, or leave a thoughtful gift. These gestures show your guests they're not alone. Create opportunities for connection, host a festive gathering with music and games, or suggest local events where solo travelers can meet others. Encourage them to share their holiday traditions and travel stories. Lastly, make your rental extra cozy. Provide warm blankets, festive candles, and a selection of holiday movies and board games. Flexible check-in times can also ease travel stress. This Christmas, let's spread warmth and joy. Ready to make a difference? Sign up with Llivo today and transform holidays one guest at a time.